Hi there. Hi, everybody. So today I'm going to teach you how to use your digital products that you've purchased from Chalk Couture. I'm going to go through the whole process. Let's go ahead and look at going to your account right now. I'm just going to kind of make my screen a little bit bigger. We're going to go to chalkcouture.com/CreativeSarah. Make sure that you are signed in when you get here. So come on over here. We're going to log in. I'm going to log into my account where I purchased the stuff. Okay. Once you're logged in, you guys, the easiest thing is to come over here, the little guy right there, and click my account. Okay. When you click on that, your account's going to pop up. See, your information is here. You're going to scroll down to where it says downloadable products. So click on downloadable products. And here are all of the things that I have downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and find my autumn leaves because that's what I'm cutting out today. So I'm going to click download. Now your license pops up, the terms and conditions. You have to scroll to the bottom and agree to all of these, basically saying you cannot use the images and sell them. You can't cut them out and sell them. This is for personal use only. So I'm going to go ahead and click download. Now, because I'm on a Mac, it downloads up here. There's a zip file. If you are on a PC or anything other device, wherever your download goes, you will need to find it. I'm double clicking on this and you can see I have my autumn leaves here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And now your product that you just bought, you have a DXF file. You have an EPS file, a JPEG, a PNG, and an SVG. Now for today, we're using the SVG. That's the cut file that I'm going to use. You can use that on your Cricut, your Silhouette, your Glowforge, or any other laser cutting machine that you might have. There's also a PDF of the file. Now, these other files I would have to do research on, but I believe one of them is able to be used on a embroidery machine. I kind of think that's the DXF, but I'm not sure. So Google that. Just put that question in Google and see, or you may already know. All right. So the autumn leaves here. I'm going to go ahead and leave. Oh, shoot. What did I just do? That's not what I wanted to do. I'm going to leave this open so I can grab it. It's right here. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up. Oh, there. I've got it open twice. Look at me. All right. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cricut design space. But you could also open up your Silhouette Studio. It's going to be the exact same thing, and I'll show you in a second. So for Cricut design space, this is the blank page. You can go to your stuff. Of course, you can see a lot of my old things that I've cut. I'm going to make a new project. So up here on the right-hand corner, I'm going to click on New Project. And here's what I want to do. I want to add my images. So if I make this screen a little bit smaller, and I just kind of like make it a little smaller so I can see, here's my SVG. If I click and drag that, I should be able to click and drag it over here. And if I can't, then I'm going to have to open it up and just know, I guess we just got to know where it is. This is the name of the folder, UC23. Okay. So I'll go down to upload, and I'm going to upload an image, and I'm going to, I can click and drag the file here, not the JPEG. I want the SVG, or you would just have to, there we go. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to upload it, and now it is here. And so I'll be able to add this to my canvas. The button is down here, add to canvas. So here it is. Oh my goodness. So easy, right? Then all we have to do is make it. So up here at the top, I'm going to click make it. And I'm going to do on my mat, it is 12 by 12. And so it's going to show you these cuts. Those got pushed off, even though I know they could fit, but it's fine. We'll just show you the one. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and get my mat ready. Okay, so now what I want to show you is I'm going to go ahead and turn on my machine. And I've got my mat here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my 12 by 12 sheet of chalk suede cardstock, and I'm just going to place it on my mat like this. You guys know how to do this. And I'm just pressing it down. Now this is extra thick cardstock, so when we actually go to use our machine, I'm going to turn my dial to like it's heavier than cardstock, but not quite as much as poster board, but I'm going to give it all the way down here because I just want to make sure that it is going to take. So then I have my screen here. I'll make it big. Maybe you'll be able to see part of it. So my basic cut, I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And we're going to connect. So this is the Cricut Explore Air 2. So it's a little older, a few years older, but it still works on Bluetooth, or you can plug it into your laptop. But mine is going to pick it up on Bluetooth, so I'm waiting for it to connect. Now it connected because it's ready to cut. So I'm going to make sure this is pressed down. Go ahead and load my mat. It's ready to go. All I have to do is now press this. So, and it told me to do that. So, and it's going to go ahead and cut all my shapes that are going to match the transfer that I want to use for the autumn leaves. And hopefully it's cutting all the way through. Now it looks like it is cutting all the way through. Perfect. Okay, and there we have it. We have all of the shapes that we wanted to cut out that are going to line up with our transfer. So let's look at this one real quick. I have this really, there we go. So you can see that this shape lines up perfectly. Let's see if I can find another one. I think maybe this one. You kind of have to go through and see which are for which. Here we go. And then this shape will line up here. So then we can chalk right on our chalk suede cardstock, or your wood cutout that you're making, or your fabric that you're cutting out, whatever you want to, or your foam or your chipboard, whatever you want to use, you can chalk right on it or ink right on it. And then you have this like perfectly cut shape. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks.